What's up guys, time for another video. Hope you're all having a great day. We are still here in Miami. I don't know how good you guys can see, the lighting's pretty bad. There we go. But anyways, still here with my boy Trevor. And in today's video, I'm actually gonna be asking him, about what he does, because he does a lot of stuff with reselling, like hype brand stuff, Supreme, Yeezys, that kind of thing. So I don't really mess with that business. I don't know too much about it in order to, start a whole business on and start making a lot of money. But a lot of people do that and they make a lot of money with it. So that's what Trevor does. He invited me on the jet yesterday, so I guess he makes some kind of money with it. So I guess we're gonna be doing a little interview with him and seeing what he does and how he got to where he is today. All right guys, we had to change up the setting a little bit. The lighting's pretty messed up with the city in the background. It just makes it a little dark, so it's not that easy to see us. But I don't know if you guys care or not, but I'd rather be safe than sorry and make sure that you guys can see us. So Trevor over here, the reselling guy. What made you want to be an entrepreneur, start doing that kind of stuff?
So I got into it when I was younger. My friend Taylor actually helped me get into it, and he just showed me how much money he was making with just getting hype shoes like Yeezys and just staying up all night and grinding and just really reselling them. And I got tired of just the 9 to 5 working over the summer. So I just figured it was a great way to make some extra money. It is some long nights, it's pretty inconsistent, but if you work hard at it, you can make a killing.
Yeah, for sure. So definitely sort of a lot of tough factors that go into that business. You have to be able to get these things because they sell out fast. You have to have the connections in order to get them fast and make sure that you get them before they sell out. And then another thing, like reselling them. So like, what do you do in order to make sure that you get them before they go out of stock? Is there like certain programs you use or what?
So we have a lot of different computer programs. None of them are developed by us at the time. We all buy them from third parties, and we use a lot of different complicated servers and proxies and bots to get the shoes. Some people do have in-store connections, which is great because they can get them. Call backdooring them, they can get as many pairs as they want, as early as they want. We use computer programs, stay up all night, and we also do just go manual on the websites. But it can be a 72-hour straight process of staying up and just grinding.
Yeah, for sure. So you have to stay there. I'm sure you guys, if you guys have tried to buy Yeezys or something like that, and you're not using a program, you're sitting there waiting when you're waiting to get shoes to make sure you get it before it sells out. All that stuff is very complicated, and you have to wait a long, long time. So what would you say is like the item that has made you the most money being resold?
So Supreme is nice because it is weekly, but I would say Yeezys make me the most money. Back then they used to sell for more. I used to be able to pick them up for around $250 a pop and sell them for over 1,000, sometimes close to 2,000. Nowadays they're more in the $400 mark, so it's about $150 profit on each pair of shoes. But they have become easier buys, but overall I'd say Yeezys make me a good amount of my money.
And I want to know, once you get the products, you make sure you get them before they go out of stock. And what platform do you use to resell them? Do you have your own website or what? So
we did run a website for a while, couldn't drive much traffic to it, so we typically stick with StockX, which is a website that lets you sell your shoes on there. They take care of the shipping, the verification, and all that paperwork. And then also we use eBay a lot. The only problem with the eBay is people sometimes will think your shoes are fake. People won't buy them because they think you're fake, and people will charge back. That's why I like to stick with StockX. They verify your shoes are real, and they take care of all the processing.
Yeah, for sure. So that's pretty dope. I know it's a tough business, but it can also be very lucrative. You can make a lot of money with it. So one thing also that I want to know, so you do the reselling stuff. Do you also do anything else, like entrepreneurial-wise, or are you just reselling these items?
So Tanner's course definitely has gotten me into drop shipping. I recommend it 100%. I've learned a lot of things. He's definitely killing it in the game. I'd like to get more into it. It's more consistent than reselling clothing and shoes. It's not a great consistent market, whereas drop shipping can be.
Guys, I did not tell him to say that, so I was trying not to laugh when he started saying that. But yeah, he is in my course. That's actually sort of how I met him. I met him through networking on Instagram. He's messaged me before. He's always trying to help me out with whatever. And then he got in my course, and he's, in my group. I see him talking a lot. He's getting involved with some drop shipping stuff. So I'm excited to see him in there, and that's really just how we met, networking through Instagram.
And it's just the DMs. Never be afraid of DMs.
Yeah, now we're in Miami, just chilling together in a dope place, having fun for the weekend, came down on a jet. So all about the power of networking. You can't just think that you can do everything by yourself. You have to, build a team, not necessarily a team, but build a network of individuals that and are good in different aspects of business and life and stuff, so you can help each other out in the long run. That's what it's all about. So build your connections, network, And you know, it's a lot more fun than just being all by yourself trying to do stuff, because you know, you're not good at everything. Other people are better in different aspects that you may not be good in, and you know, any aspect of business or you know, whatever. So build your network, start DMing people, getting to know people. Whether you're in my YouTube comments, you see someone in a comment you like and you reply to them, you start doing stuff, or you know, just anything. Go out there, talk to people, network. I'm sure you'll find some cool people. You'll also find some bad people. So be smart, make sure you're talking to the right people, help each other out, and keep learning. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. This is a little interview with Trevor right here, the killer with reselling stuff. I know a lot of you other guys do that too. I don't know how much business all of you do, but I know it can be very lucrative. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.